In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recharge Amazon Prime. Whether your membership has recently expired or you're looking to renew early, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started and make sure you can continue enjoying all the great benefits that come with Amazon Prime, including Prime Video and free delivery. First, you'll want to log in to your Amazon account. You can easily do this by visiting amazon.com, primevideo.com, or using the convenient Amazon mobile app. Once you're on any of these platforms, enter your account details to sign in. Having easy access to your account is the first step towards managing your Prime membership. Now that you're signed in, let's go to the Account and Lists section. This is your control center for all things account related on Amazon. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice Account and Lists. Click on it and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu containing various options. Next, select Prime from this menu. This section provides detailed information about your current membership status and renewal date. If you are a first-time user, there's even an option to start a 30-day free trial. If this is your first time utilizing the trial, ensure you fill out all necessary details accurately, as Amazon may need to verify your identity before activating your trial period. It's a great way to explore Prime services before committing. If you're not new to Amazon Prime and are simply looking to recharge your membership, click on Explore Other Plans, or alternatively, scroll down to select a plan that suits you best. You have the flexibility to choose between a monthly or an annual plan, depending on what fits your needs. Once you've decided on the plan, it's time to confirm your payment method. Choose the financial option that works for you, be it a credit or debit card, UPI, or another listed payment method. Confirm or add your payment details carefully. This step ensures that your payment can be processed smoothly. After you've reviewed all the information and are satisfied with your choices, it's time to make the payment. Click on Continue or Pay Now to finalize the transaction. Once confirmed, your Amazon Prime membership will be recharged instantly. With your membership reactivated, you can jump back into the fantastic array of services Amazon Prime has to offer. Enjoy unlimited access to Prime Video, take advantage of free delivery on eligible items, and don't forget to keep an eye out for exclusive deals available only to Prime members. Recharging your Amazon Prime is a simple process, and it ensures you never miss out on all the exciting perks that come with your membership. Happy watching and shopping.